So I will show you how you can remove background from any of your picture for free, and then you'll be able to download the image in PNG format. So if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. I'll be using this picture as an example. This is Trent Shelton's picture. Now we want to remove the background from the picture. Maybe you want to use his picture for your YouTube thumbnail, or maybe a cover of a book or something else. So you need to remove the background from the picture. This is what you will do. On your device, either it is your phone or your laptop or your computer, anyone, you just go to your browser and then you go to remove.bg, www.remove.bg. So when you go there, this is what you see. This is the home page. Then you click on upload image. Then you search for the image where you save the image you want to remove its background. So our image is in desktop. So on desktop, and this is our image. So you select it and you click enter on your keyboard, or you press open. So it will load the image for you, and it will automatically help you to remove the background completely. You will see it will come out very nice. Let's wait and see few seconds. So you see, good. Now see, this is our picture. So it has been removed. The background has completely been removed. Now let's click on download. You come here and you click on download. So it will download it for you in PNG format. Click on download. So it has been downloaded. This is our image here. So what you need to do is you can click on this arrow, then click on show in folder, so take you to the folder where it has been downloaded. Then let's open it. Good. Do you see? The background has completely been removed. So this is a fine way of you removing the background from your images. Then you can now use this image in any picture you want to as a PNG format, because it is transparent picture now. So thank you for watching. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button so that YouTube can recommend it to others. I'll be uploading more of my tutorial videos very soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I uploaded new videos. See you later. Thank you.